Hi, in this video, I'm going to explain to you guys how we managed to catch about 1 to 15 risk reward ratio on Cadchf right here, step by step. So for that and more, watch the rest of the video. All right, great. So, did you guys know that if you created an account with Market Markets using the link, there's link in the description, you get 3 months free signals with our private community. So check the first link in the description right now, sign up, and you'll be able to take trades with us in real time. So let's jump back to the chart. All right. So this is the trade that we had on Monday. Let me just show you the breakdown of what happened and everything. So if you look on the higher time frame right here on the 4-hour time frame, you're going to realize that this market has been going to the downside for a long time, right? So we've already predefined our trend, which is downtrend, really important. And then also if you look here, we had something significant happening here. We had a nice rally based drop supply zone. And then we saw that these big candles right here broke structure left behind um, even efficiency candles, which call imbalance candles. And then if you go to the 2-hour time frame, you're going to realize that the rally based drop supply zone is actually very significant. You can see that here we had big momentum candles going to the downside right here. So what we do is we go to the lower time frame, we find the order block right there, which is the last bullish candle before the bearish move in this particular case. And then we see how the market was coming to us. The market kind of gave us a rising wedge right here. The market pushed it upside, take out that high, which was liquidity, came into our area right here. And when the market came to this level, we're able to execute this trade, and this trade dropped about 125 pips right here, which was about 1 to 15 risk reward ratio right here. Our stop loss was 5 pips and our target was initially 200, but the market just gave us 125, which was good enough. It was an absolutely amazing trade. And guess what? As always, this trade was actually shared with our private community. This was our first trade on Monday. You can see that this is how it was, right? We had a nice rally based drop on the 2-hour time frame, break of structure, order block right there. We have liquidity, waited for liquidity to be taken out. And once the liquidity was taken out, we waited for our entry signals at this level right here, and we were able to send this signal to our private community. And congratulations to those that took advantage of this particular trade. Also, something significant happened here. If you're able to turn on the this liquidity, the Asian range right here, you're going to see that the market first took out the Asian range and then it came to our level. So the Asian range can be used as an added confluence to actually make informed decisions. See that the market took out the high of the Asian range, came to our level right there, and then confirmed. Then we're able to actually take this trade. It was an absolutely amazing trade. So another trade that we took on Monday. Monday was a really good day. Was AUD JPY. Let me just show you. The AUD JPY was a beautiful trade as well. We're able actually to take this trade and share it with our private community, and it was an also about 14 hour right here. So you can see that the overall trend was to the downside, and then we also had a rally based drop supply zone, and we saw that these big candles here is the ones that we actually are responsible for breaking the structure. And whenever that happens, we always make sure that we go to the lower time frame and find our order block. And once we find our order block, we wait for price to come to that level right here. So you can see that we had what we call a 2D drive right here. Price drived into this zone and then gave us a nice confirmation entry right there. And then we saw the market pushing to the downside. Let me just show you what is happening right now on AUD JPY. Absolutely amazing. So let me just show you guys just a minute. Where is AUD JPY? Right here. It dropped about 1 to 14 risk reward ratio, which was really good. And as I've already shown you guys, all these setups right here were shared in our private community, in the signals community. This was the trade right here. This is the after, that was the before. Absolutely amazing stuff right here. So you are missing out if you're not part of a private community. And like I've already said, if you sign up using the first link in the description, you get 3 months free access to our private community. So go in the description right there, sign up with Markets, trade from that platform, and make sure you deposit at least $50 in that particular account. Send me the screenshot that you've done that, and I'll be able to add you to our private community. You guys, I hope you found value in this video. Until next time, goodbye.